Presenting the SmartPix 1:18 rock crawling monster truck that is suitable for kids above the age of 3. It is available in blue, red and green color variants. The product dimensions are 32.2 x 23 x 18.1 centimeters and it weighs 650 grams. This monster truck comes with 4-wheel drive that gives it a better grip on the ground, making it possible to drive on any road condition without getting stuck even on large obstacles. Its crawling technology and strong shocks makes it easy to use on rugged roads or off-roads and even for climbing over pebbles and large stones without affecting its performance. It comes with a 2.4 GHz radio control system for uninterrupted interference-free driving. The car can be operated from a distance of 20 meters and above. The oversized tires make it easy to use in all kinds of rugged terrains, including mud, shallow water, grass, paving or off-road. The monster truck is made of high-strength composite plastic and solid-frame chassis that makes it impact-resistant. It comes with a rechargeable Li-ion battery and can run up to 15 to 20 minutes on a single charge. The battery takes about 3 to 4 hours for a complete recharge. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.